Good morning, my friends. Welcome to the Prodbeg. And today we are going to cover the very good, interesting topic. It's JUnit 5. You must have used the JUnit previously, or you may be the completely newbie, beginners. So it's okay. We will keep both the audience who don't have any idea about the unit testing. It's okay, completely okay. And if you have some idea about the JUnit 5 or TestNG, it's good to have. JUnit 5 introduced a lot of new features, and now it's really very good unit framework. Earlier, the JUnit 3 and 4 don't have that much features, and it is generally used by developer for their unit testings. But with JUnit 5, even the automation guys can take the advantage of the new features. Okay. So generally, we have seen that automation guys generally go with the TestNG and developers generally go with the JUnit. But with the JUnit 5 introduction, I think the automation guys as well can consider writing their test cases with JUnit 5. Okay. So I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube, but I have not find a particular proper series where we can see the complete detailed test case, all the features. Basically, they are not covering each and every features. So what I have done, I have gone through the complete documentation part of the JUnit 5 and I written small test cases for each and every test cases. Okay. And I thought by this way of teaching, we actually understand a lot, not by just showing or just telling the advantage of features, not going to help. But I think if we go and write the test cases on each and every topic and then execute them and just see what the error and are coming, and by solving them, I think that's the good way of learning anything new. So I have done exactly the same thing which I have used to do in my all my previous videos. I made small demo code for you guys so that it will be really helpful, and you can download the code from the Git repo and you can run on your machine side by side along with me. And so this is my approach. So see what we are going to cover in this particular JUnit 5 series. In the initially we will go through the architecture, some introduction kind of thing, and after that we will go through the basic tags which are most of the time we are writing, and then we'll see the assertions, the importance of the static import, and then one of the good topic is assumptions. You can do some assumption before running your test cases, and if the assumptions are true, only then test case get executed, otherwise they will be skipped. One of the very good functionality. And with the timeout, you can do a little bit of performance kind of test. You can make sure that your run tests are running in within a particular time. Then we will see how the exception can be handled in JUnit. Then if you want to run a particular test number of time, we can do as well. With tagging, we can tag our test cases, like let's say if you want to tag like production or staging, testing, any particular environmental wise, you can do tagging. So it's up to you. You can use the disable, one of the very good features through which you can disable your tag test, and they will not be part of your run, and they will be skipped. Okay. And after that, we will see some of the very good and interesting advanced topic in JUnit 5. So, at the rate test instances, so we can decide the instance based on the classes or based on the methods, and then we can decide the running of your test cases as per the alphanumeric or randomly, or the we can give some specific order. We can also decide how you want to run your test cases. Then we will see how to pass the parameters to your test cases, and using the CSV source, value source, and the enums can also be passed to the test cases. We will go through each and every topic with a code demo sample code. Then there are some more advanced topic like argument source, method source, and aggregate with. So these are good topic to have. You should know because they are really very helpful when you actually work on a big framework kind of project, live project. So these features are a must for you guys to know. And at the last, we will see some of the argument accessors and the parallel test cases, how we can run the test case in parallel. Okay, so I have try to come up with the complete solution of JUnit 5 based on the latest features, and I hope this complete series will really going to be helpful for you, and both developer and automation guys can get the advantage from this series. So just bear with me, we will go topic by topic, slowly, and will keep in mind both the kind of audience, like who are very big, who are beginner, who don't have any idea about unit framework, will keep in mind that as well, and for the people who already worked with the JUnit and who have already worked with the TestNG, so it will be good for them as well, because we are going to cover a lot of advanced topic in this particular series. Fine friends, so I hope you guys are enjoying all my videos, all my previous videos, and let's see how this will go. So hope for the best, and let's keep learning together. Till the time, have a good day. Bye bye.